Welcome back to 52 Weeks of Essential Oils. I'm Velvet. Today we're going to talk about an oil that they like so much, they named it twice. And that oil is Ylang Ylang, or some people say Ylang Ylang. Ylang Ylang actually translates to flower of flowers. And boy, is it flowery. But it's also fresh and sweet and intense. In order to make the oil, they use flowers from an evergreen tree, also known as the perfume tree. Ylang Ylang has the reputation of being an aphrodisiac. It has been used in love potions and formulas for millennia. It has a voluptuous aroma that reunites our emotional and our sensual natures. I came across this quote that I really love about Ylang Ylang. It cultivates the exotically spiritual and, as an aphrodisiac, serves the spirit of the exotic. So it's no wonder that it resonates with the planet Venus and with the astrological signs of Taurus and Pisces, both being very romantic signs. It has a very strong yin characteristic. Ylang Ylang resonates with Larimar, blue lace agate, rose quartz, and kunzite, while vibrating with the number 7. It is a base to a mid-perfume note, reverberates with your second and third chakra, being your sacral and your solar plexus, and its elements are earth and water. This oil stimulates your thymus gland. It helps lower blood pressure. It relaxes the central nervous system and is a stimulant for the circulatory system. It balances hormones and is awesome for postnatal depression. You can actually use it like smelling salts, and sniff it right out of the bottle. But be forewarned, if you sniff too much, you're going to get a headache. And worse yet, could be nausea. So don't do it. Ylang Ylang can be used for all skin types, and it also helps encourage your hair to grow. It stimulates the scalp and it prevents hair loss. Ylang Ylang's anti-properties: antidepressant, antiseptic, antispasmodic, and anti-infectious. It can give feelings of euphoria, and it can also calm you. So it's used as a sleep aid for people that are suffering from sleep-related issues or insomnia. It calms rage and anger, aids in panic, stress, and seasonal affective disorder, as well as anxiety. Ylang Ylang comes alive and is more powerful when you actually blend it with other oils. Oils like bergamot, lemon, lavender, you knew I was going to say it, jasmine, rosewood, sandalwood, patchouli, and vetiver. But don't apply Ylang Ylang neat on the skin. That means directly on the skin. Make sure that it is highly diluted. Lack of confidence or self-esteem? Ylang Ylang's your uncle. Where's that saying come from anyhow? In closing, I'd like to use another quote. It soothes and entices, opens and centers us. It allows us to inwardly unify and outwardly merge. How do you like that? Thanks for another week of tuning in. Next week, we're going to learn about vetiver.